Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Uber for iOS and verify account step by step clearly. To download Uber for iOS, start by unlocking your iPhone. Locate the App Store icon on your home screen and tap on it. In the App Store, look for the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type Uber into the search bar and press the search button. Once the results load, find the Uber app in the list. Tap on the Uber app to open its details page. To download the app, tap on the Get button or the cloud icon if you have downloaded it before. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID to confirm the download. Wait for the app to finish downloading, then tap Open to launch it. When the app opens, you will see the welcome screen. If you already have an Uber account, tap on Sign In. Enter your registered phone number or email address and password, then tap Sign In again. If you are new to Uber, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your name, mobile number, email, and password. Then, tap on Next to proceed. You will receive a verification code via SMS to your mobile number. Check your messages for the code and enter it in the app. Tap Verify to confirm your phone number. Once verified, complete any additional information required, such as payment details. After filling in all the necessary information, tap Done. Your Uber account is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.